Hey everybody, this is Rodney Robinson. Hey, oh my God. As you can probably see here on the screen, let's go through and point to this right here. This thing is blowing out of the water. If you're still sitting on the sideline and you're seeing this revolution that's going on right before your eyes, you're going to look back on this and say, "Oh, if I would have." Like many of us said when it initially started back in 2008, 2009 era, and it was at a very low price, eight cents. Now you're looking at $7,000 for one Bitcoin, and many of you are saying, "Oh, it's too late." It's not too late, people. It's not too late. You don't have to buy the entire Bitcoin. Now, if for those that already know me. My name is again Rodney Robinson, and I've been into the stock market for years, and have now moved into the cryptocurrency market as well. And we have a way to where you can go through and get involved in this, and you can build up your to receive a Bitcoin. Now, people have been saying, and the more critics that come at this thing, I was just reading something today. Bitcoin is an anti-fragile. Its technology grows so strong when it's under attack. So when people continue to talk about it, and you got your Jamie from the J.P. Morgan, the big banks are all going to go through and try to talk about it and try to deter you from actually seeing what we're trying to open you up from. So I guess you can say we're like the Matrix. There's quite a few of us out here that we're like the Matrix, and we're trying to give you the blue pill or the red pill to actually to open you up to see what's really going on in the financial sector, and how you can become uh, have a presence in the financial sector that maybe you've never had before or you've never seen before. And this is generational wealth that we're building here, and we're showing you how to go through and get involved in it. So I mean, it's up to you whether you decide to take the blue pill or the red pill and open up your eyes, and you could be Neil. But anyway, as you can see here, Bitcoin has hit this right here. And for those, I've been seeing now that it's becoming more popular. And again, 97% of the people that's out there still don't know what Bitcoin is. So we're at $7,000, people. That's amazing. Um, we're trying to. There's many people I'm seeing where they're going through and charging people to show you how to go through and learn about Bitcoin. If you're following me, and that's Rodney Robinson. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram. Get with me on Twitter. Also, follow me on my blog. I have a blog that's out on that you'll go through, and I'm giving away valuable information that I've taken me years to actually learn from the stock market. I've been doing this for quite some time. I even have things out there for those who are trying to learn about the regular stock market as well. And I have this information out here for actually free people. Come out here and take a look at what I'm actually doing, and what the valuable information I'm actually giving you. I have a couple blogs here. Actually go in. There's a new ICO. We'll talk about that later. Get to understand what Bitcoin is, what the Bitcoin digital revolution is all about. Go out there and check that out on my blog, and you'll be able to get detailed information as to what's really going on in this sector. And again, you'll be able to see where we're actually going and why we're seeing this dramatic increase in the value of Bitcoin. Um, this is another. I'm just showing you that it's just not one site. Again, that was a Yahoo site that actually took you to, that showed you what the price of it is, and they're basically talking the Bitcoin to the US dollar. Um, That's some kind of Forex um, jargon there, the way that actually looks. But what it's saying is that's the Bitcoin to the US dollar, and this is what the price of that is, and this is the increase that you've actually seen um, since yesterday. So we've, for those that saying, oh, well, it went down before, that's what even the stock market does. The to give a kind of a one-on-one here, where what's actually occurring here is finding new. You're always looking for a stock. If you're looking from a stock perspective, you're always looking for a stock that's finding new highs, and it's finding new resistance. You have a support and you have a resistance, and when you're finding a new support and new resistance, so when that means that it's not falling all the way back down to where it was back in early February, April, February, March time frame was like $1,200. It's not falling all the way back down there. What it's doing every time that it drops, because of course when it goes up, people are beginning to sell. Now I believe people are beginning to see, ooh, we are about to hit $10,000 on this $10,000 mark. But that's not the end, people. That's the secret. Shh. No, don't. I want you to tell people. This is really about the masses knowing what's actually going on. But again, you have a support and you have a resistance, and when you have even a stock that goes through and finds a new support and resistance, every time it drops, it finds a new support. The support means that I'm not going to let it fall below $5,000. That's what it was before, and so then it moved up, and then it says, okay, I'm not going to let it fall below $6,000. Then it's moving up again. Now it's $7,000. This is probably going to drop back down to about 60, maybe 65, if the way that things have been looking, and then it's going to make another push. Trust me, watch it and see if it doesn't happen that way. It's going to make another push. It's going to drop maybe to 65, maybe 66, and it's not going to break all the way back down to 5,000. But what it's going to do is hit like 66, and then it's going to make another push. The way this thing, I initially said that by the end of the year, this thing is probably going to be like $5,000. Wow, was I wrong? This thing is immense. It's hitting points that even that's unimaginable from my standpoint. But now I'm like, can this hit? We got 2 more months left in this year. Can this thing hit 10,000 before the end of the year? I was projecting by April, May, or sometime that time frame that it would actually hit 10,000. But man, hey, go Bitcoin. It's growing. I mean, if you would came in and got just a portion of Bitcoin, you would have been increased your monies by 300, 400, 500%. So this thing is just amazing, and I don't want you to miss out on what's actually how you can become a part of this digital revolution that we actually have here. Look at my blog, go out and check it out. There are some other things that we actually have that's out there. Again, for those that I have a way that you can actually go through and get into this Bitcoin and get a 40% return on capital that you actually just get with me. I'll show you how to do that. We'll talk about that a little bit more. But this video, I just wanted to kind of show the value of what's truly going on. You've been hearing me say, oh, Bitcoin has hit $4,000. Oh, Bitcoin has just hit $5,000. Oh, Bitcoin has just hit $6,000. And I know the more it goes up, more people say, I can't get in. It's too late now. It's not too late, people. We can show you how to do this. Get with me, like this, follow me on Facebook, like this channel right here. You might want to get in on this channel because I'm giving value, unlike some of these people that are going through and having you to pay some money to go and find out stuff that I've been giving out to you for free here. for over the last year now in regards to this digital currency. Now they're finding a way that they can go through and make money off of it. So you know, it's up to you. Do you want to go through and spend for it, or do you want to take the money that you're going to spend to learn about it, get it for free, and put it into a system, the money that you were going to spend, to go through and you can start getting Bitcoin, and we'll show you everything that we actually know about this. So that's people. Again, this is Rodney. I'm out of here, people. Like this, there should be a link below this that'll show you how to go through and get in on that 40% return on capital. So peace out. We love you.